Modern outdoor wall cladding ideas using metal panels. Metal panels offer a versatile and stylish solution for outdoor wall cladding. This article explores 3 innovative approaches to using metal panels to enhance the aesthetics and character of exterior spaces. Sleek contemporary outdoor wall cladding ideas with metal panels. Cladded walls in outdoor areas are still imparting an elegant touch in the innovative aspect of metal panels in the contemporary design world. Brushed aluminum panels, arranged in geometrical forms, bestow a touch of contemporary class on any outdoor area. Such panels do not only beautifully reflect the sunlight, creating dynamic effects all day, but they also offer an exterior surface solution that is durable and low maintenance. Imagine an outdoor area in one of the modern homes, finished with the material of these wonderful aluminum panels. Such clean lines and minimalism in their style are emphasized further by the use of contemporary garden furniture that bedecks the same class as the cladding design. Subtle lighting elements sharpen the general mood by throwing soft light on the geometrical patterns on the wall. The garden is perfectly manicured with well-kept greenery to add that touch of natural beauty to the modern setting. Bold artistic outdoor wall cladding ideas with colored metal panels. The use of colored metal panels is so exciting and imaginative that it allows the creation of any exterior wall, from nondescript to splendid artistry. In many ways, the use of colored metal cladding enables homeowners to express themselves in everything they do and bring out the personality and artistic vision on the outside, thereby achieving highly dynamic and visually energetic settings. Imagine a landscape that is full of walls, abstract mosaics made of colored metal plates. Each of them instills plenty of dynamism and life into the surrounding atmosphere. Modern outdoor furniture with sharp lines and strong colors is perfectly matched with the artistic wall cladding, with innovative lighting solutions to enhance and give excellent brightness to the colors to produce amazing effects. Including artworks and sculptures in the place will only intensify more creative vibes in the space. These serve as a centerpiece and may even serve as the icebreaker, turning the outdoor space not only into a relaxation area, but also into a gallery of artworks. The use of colored metal panels in such a dynamic way shows again countless possibilities of variation and personalization in outdoor design. Rustic industrial outdoor wall cladding ideas using corrugated metal panels. Exude some rustic yet cool style to your exterior cladding with corrugated metal panels. These aged and rusty finish panels emanate history and offer perfect authenticity in your outdoor living space. The rough texture, administered in earthy tones, gives hard contrast among lush greenery and vintage outdoor furniture. Picture an industrial-flavored outdoor space, but offset by the clever points of interest provided by corrugated metal panels. Lapped on the wall, these corrugated metal panels offer an unfinished, raw look to the outside walls. Probably taken from some previously demolished factory or warehouse, vintage furniture sets up a comfortable lounging place and mixes well with the industrial flavor. Edison globe string lights crisscross the space, creating a warm and inviting environment in an otherwise raw industrial one. All of these textures and colors can really turn any regular outdoor space into a warm sanctuary with an eclectic, industrial vibe. What is intriguing is that its durability will make it a functional cladding for any weather condition again, giving you the best value. The exploration of outdoor wall cladding ideas using metal panels reveals the vast potential for transforming exterior spaces into visually striking and functional environments. Whether opting for sleek contemporary designs, rustic industrial finishes, or bold artistic expressions, metal panels offer a versatile and durable solution. By carefully considering the style, texture, and color of the panels, homeowners can create outdoor spaces that reflect their unique taste and enhance the overall aesthetic of their property. Thank you for watching this.